Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Oluwapamilerinayo, Oyeniran, and I'm here to recite the Nigeria of my dreams. Nigeria of years back was a very loving, caring, and hopeful nation. Children practically walked to and from school. There was hope for a better future because our government actively built strong institutions, infrastructure, and invested intentionally into our economy. Also, our nationalists were driven by good motive to strengthen and make our country better for all citizens. Nigeria of today is a very bleak nation where infrastructures like health and electricity are more or less a comatose. Our youths have taken to the streets, some of whom will do anything and everything just for money, becoming morally bankrupt. If asked what the Nigeria of my dream is, I'll say a place where education is taken as priority and also up to world-class standard. A place where there are free healthcare systems. A place where social amenities are at our beck and our call. A place where people of every tribe are free from any form of internal or external insurgency. A place where together we can defend our unity, uphold our honor and glory. Thank you.